Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, you're gonna have to tap on settings from the bottom right corner of the screen and navigate your way to privacy and security. Now scroll down, then at the end of the screen you'll find the category automatically delete my account. Tap on it. Now a small menu will appear from the bottom of your screen from where you're gonna have to select delete account now and scroll down and select delete my account, which is the last option on your screen. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on continue. Select continue again, then go ahead, type your phone number and tap on continue. Once you do that, you're gonna have to select delete my account from your screen and you'll successfully delete your Telegram account. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.